If your Gmail looked like this, filled with unread emails and ads, turn on this automatic categories feature.
Go to Settings, see All Settings, then Inbox and check these boxes. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, Gmail will automatically move your promotions to the Promotions inbox, leaving your primary inbox with just the important messages. Isn't that great?
Hey, I'm Aliana. I'm a designer and I'm a business owner. This video is part of my professional Glow Up series, and I will teach you a few easy tricks to immediately level up your Gmail game. Most of my early career opportunities I got it from networking, sending emails, getting back emails on time. So I hope learning these will unlock opportunities for you. Number 2, turn on keyword shortcuts.
Go to Settings, then click on See All Settings. Scroll down and select Keyboard Shortcuts On. It is under the Start section. After that, scroll down and Save Changes. There are 2 ways to view these shortcuts. First, type a question mark and you'll see them. Another way is to go to Settings again, click See All Settings, and you'll find the Keyboard Shortcuts tab at the top. Here are 3 of my most used shortcuts. The first one is the left curly bracket, which archives the email and moves to the next conversation. I use the left curly bracket for emails that are not very important and don't need to reply. This is especially helpful when you go through many emails at once, as most of them are not that important. The second shortcut to remember is K or J to go to the previous or next email. This shortcut allows you to quickly scan through emails without interacting with them. The third shortcut is R, which lets you reply to the email. Now, most important actions are available in the UI at the top, like archiving, moving to the previous or next email, or replying. But when you need to deal with hundreds of emails on a daily basis, using these shortcuts can make the process faster, and I just like hitting the keyboard.
This will make your life so much easier, especially when you need to deal with hundreds of emails in one sitting. Number 3, delete everything in your promotional inbox.
Your promotional inbox could be the one taking up the most storage. I personally like to delete everything from it. To do this, go to your promotional inbox, check the checkbox on the top left to select everything on the page. Now Gmail will then prompt you to confirm if you want to select all messages in promotions. Click on the blue text and then hit the delete button. This might take a while, and now you just deal with thousands of emails in just one click. Yay! Try it yourself.
Number 4, add labels.
Once in a while, you'll receive an email that is important to label. Labeling allows you to categorize emails and make them easily accessible. The shortcut is L to create a label, or you can click on the 3 dots, select Label As, and then choose Create New. For example, this email is my hotel booking in Venice, so I will add a vacation stays label. I also like to use an emoji to make it more visual. Now, if you don't see the left panel in Gmail, click the top left hamburger menu. You should now be able to access your new label folder right here. Similarly, I have a flights label for all my flight tickets and a receipt label for all my receipt. You can create all sorts of labels. Try it yourself.
Number 5, add a profile picture.
Adding a profile picture will instantly make your email look more authentic and professional. Just avoid using a selfie or an ID photo, please. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then click the pencil icon on your profile image, and you'll be able to upload a profile picture here. I suggest taking your profile picture wearing your personal brand color against a less saturated background during sunrise or sunset. Face the camera at an angle and smile. This especially makes you look better in the Gmail mobile app, which shows profile pictures by default. Try it yourself.
Number 6, add an email signature.
This will enhance your professional presentation, make it easier for people to find your social links, and save your time. To do this, click the Settings icon, go to See All Settings, and scroll down to the Signature section. Click on Create New. I will just name it Default Signature, and then click Create. Write your signature here. Here's an example. I like to add a small profile picture and my social links at the end. Once you're done writing, click on these 2 drop-downs and select your signature and check the checkbox as well. Scroll down and save changes. Now try to write an email. Your signature will automatically appear at the end, making it look professional and helping your audience easily find your social links and resources. Try it yourself.
If there's anything you find specifically helpful in this video, share it in the comment section. And if you have any Gmail tip you'd like to share, also let us know in the comment. I'm Aliana. If you like this video, turn on all notifications and you will probably also like this video. I also have a free email list, Trillions Cafe, where I share a lot about professional glow-ups, things that I've learned. And I will end this video by this amazing air show that I saw literally from my home office in Toronto. Enjoy and see you next time!